In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use Google Drive for desktop. We'll start by getting the app on your PC, then walk through signing in, finding your files, choosing the right sync mode, and handling uploads, downloads, sharing, and a few helpful tips to keep everything running smoothly. First, head to the official Google Drive download page in your browser. On that page, select Download for Windows to grab the installer. When the file finishes downloading, open it. In the setup window, click Install and let it run. This may take a minute or two, so just wait until it completes. When the installer is done, you'll be prompted to sign in. Choose Sign In with Browser, and your default browser will open a secure Google sign-in screen. Log in with your Google account and allow the requested permissions so the desktop app can connect. As soon as that's confirmed, Google Drive for Desktop will begin syncing automatically in the background. On your PC, Drive for Desktop creates a virtual drive you can use like any other folder. Open File Explorer and look for Google Drive, often labeled with a drive letter such as G, though yours may vary. Inside, you'll see My Drive, which is your personal cloud storage, and shared drives if your account has access to them. Before you dive in, choose how you want files to sync. Click the Google Drive icon in the system tray near your clock, select the gear icon for settings, then Preferences. Pick Stream Files to keep everything in the cloud and only download items when you open them, which saves space on your PC. Or choose Mirror Files to store copies both in the cloud and on your computer so everything is available offline at any time. You can switch modes later using the same menu if your needs change. To upload files, simply drag and drop them into your Google Drive folder in File Explorer, or right-click a file or folder and choose Move to Google Drive. To download or use something from Drive, just open it or copy it from the Drive folder. It will download automatically as needed. Sharing is easy from File Explorer. Right-click the file or folder, select Share, then add recipients or copy a link to send. For important items you want offline access to, right-click and select Available Offline. Use the built-in search in Drive to find files quickly, and keep sync turned on so changes are backed up automatically as you work.